There's no way this product's going to succeed without babies. There's no question. You want mom to buy this? You got to show me baby getting happy looking at the camera. There's no question. What kind of challenge or Amazon situation can I help you with today?
Thank you for asking and making the time. So I have a really innovative product, new client or relatively new. They are in a completely unsaturated market, and there are only really maybe 1 to 2 competitors in the space that are remotely similar. And so we're just having a really hard time sort of generating buzz around the product. They have a really cool promotion going on in the fall, sort of Amazon Shark Tank situation, but we're trying to figure out what we can do in the meantime to get this product off the ground.
Okay, so there's 2 types of products. There is co-op demand and demand gen. With a co-op demand product, that's like you got a marshmallow stick, it might be a little bit longer, and you're going to market, you're just stealing shares from other people that are already buying marshmallow sticks. Demand gen, totally different. That's what you have. And
Right.
the demand gen product is like trying to sell sliced bread 10 years before it caught on. So you're solving a problem that people don't necessarily know about.
Right.
You're trying to
Exactly.
create a market, and it's 10 times harder to create a successful demand gen product than a co-op demand product. But for the brands that do succeed, the payout is usually 100 to 1, right?
Mhm.
So like way better payout if it's successful. So higher chance of failure, higher payout as a direct result. So having said that, let's take a look at this product and see how much of a challenge we've got here.
All right, here we go.
Let's do it.
So this is from the brand Looky Loo, and this is also part of our challenge. We're still trying to understand and anticipate, what people will search for when they look for this. What is the
Mhm.
official name for this product? It's essentially a clip that goes on the back of or the top of a cell phone that is meant to capture attention of a baby or a kid or children that you're taking the photo of. The lion mane actually rotates, makes a sound as well. So it looks kind of like a rattle. It's not meant for kids at all. It's another issue we're running into. But yeah, the only thing that's relatively close is this product, which is a plush animal attached to a camera lens. But other than that,
That's
just
what a professional would buy if they were taking Walmart photos. Makes sense. And that product's been around. But this is for people like my wife who wants to take pretty pictures of baby but can't get their attention. Okay, so tell me why somebody wouldn't just make faces and they need this instead. And why isn't there a video on this yet?
So we've been having compliance issues. So Amazon is flagging us for being a children's item and is requesting child product certification. And so we removed all the content that had actual babies in it to try to lift this. So the video had a baby.
That one's tough.
Yeah, so Cat's kind of getting hit from a lot of different angles right now.
Yeah, that's dead in the water right there. There's no way this product's going to succeed without babies. There's no question. I got a crazy idea though. All right.
Yeah.
Tell the brand owner you talked to Stephen Pope and he said, while we wait to get baby pics on here, we want an adult to dress up as a baby and then take pictures like that.
What do you think? I mean, I know that usually most of compliance issues usually are like getting flagged for like what's in the copy. Like what is the ratio of, I guess, risk of having something as a visual versus in the copy?
Copy is for robots. Images are for people. So you want mom to buy this? You got to show me baby getting happy looking at the camera. There's no question. So this is an adult product to interact with babies.
Yes.
And getting the robots to know this is not a baby toy. Good luck. Honestly, like this is a Kickstarter product. Like, are they on Kickstarter?
I don't know that actually.
Well, maybe we need to create an a la carte service to manage that for them and build that out. I don't even know which channel to post this in because it's so random as a test bed. Okay, so we'll see how that develops. No promises on that one because it's a new service.
Right.
But I would go to the brand owner and say, hey, talk to Stephen Pope. We definitely need babies on this. If we can't get babies on here, we need adults looking like babies and make fun of the fact that Amazon won't let you put babies on there. Like put that right into the content. The product for an adult, take pictures of babies. Maybe pitch the idea of a Kickstarter to them and say, hey, this is a very unique product. It's a demand gen product. I spent some time with Stephen Pope. The keywords, you're going to have to create some demand, right? Like you need TikTok influencers. Does this client have TikTok with us?
No, they don't.
That's right there. Boom. That's the next step. You got to push that one hard. Get it some influencers using the product. That's going to create demand.